Welcome to the Intellivid AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create and manage faceless videos in Intellivid AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Faceless Video. Here you can create faceless videos. Just add a keyword. Project name. Background music. Video resolution. Language. Now click on Generate and your faceless video is ready. Your faceless video will be open in our editor. Here you can preview your video. In the vast world of social media marketing, creativity reigns. Engaging content captivates. You can change the animation and background image of video if you want. You can search and use images from our stock library. Once you choose the image, click on Confirm Selection. And your background image will be changed. In the vast world of social media marketing, you can change font position and color if you want. In the vast world of social media marketing, click on Export and your video will be exported. It will be saved in Faceless Videos Manager. Here you can view. In the vast world of social media marketing, creativity reigns. Engaging content captivates audiences, driving brand awareness. Strategic campaigns amplify online visibility, reaching wider demographics. With analytics, marketers optimize performance for maximum impact. Influencer collaborations solidify brand credibility and expand reach. Authenticity is share. Download and edit your faceless video. In the vast world of social media marketing, creativity reigns. Thanks for watching the video.